Transportation in the house. These are the ladies, la picosas del distrito. Over here we have
Nora Nieves.
Hi, Nora.
Linda Zamora.
Hi, Linda.
Maria Soto.
Maria Soto. These are the ladies, and they're going to make it happen. So you want it? Come and get it.
So we're gonna start doing our ingredients.
And the name of our salsa is the rolling salsa because we're from transportation.
We have cilantro, we have our can of crushed tomatoes, we have onion, we have serrano peppers, salt and pepper, cominos, and garlic. Open the can.
All of this.
Something that we made, yeah, put everything in there.
Weekend.
Yeah.
All of it.
Yes.
And then 3 cloves of garlic,
Salt and pepper.
and then salt and pepper.
I think it's gonna be too.
You can put onion and serrano peppers. Then she cut like 2 and then like a half onion or something. And then we're waiting for Nora to open the can.
This is a bunch of cilantro. This is what makes the salsa very good. Did you open it?
See?
Oh my God.
So, is it on?
Suppose so. Stay connected.
Is it off?
And there it is. We finished our salsa. Now we brought in the taste tester to see if he likes our salsa. Mr. Peña! Yay!
Hola, mundo. Drum roll, please.
Dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee.
On a scale of 1 to 10, I would give it an 11. It's real fresh. It's got that nice little sharpness of that picoso chili in the back, just the way we like it.
This is the ending to our salsa. We had our taste testers. We are mutual for both teams, both athletes, and good luck.
Yay!
Yay!